Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows 11 won't wake up from sleep fixed. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand PCI Express, click and expand Link State Power Management. Change to off, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type power CFG space, -H. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC space, /scanno. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.